Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to use Google Drive embedded app in Monday.com. Once the app is added to your view, this is the landing page. The app supports two-way synchronization, allowing you to seamlessly access your Drive files such as Sheets, Docs, Slides, and more. You can find the app's knowledge base, guide, privacy policy, and help center here. To access your Drive account, connect to Google to securely log in. Select your desired email ID to authenticate with. Click Continue to proceed with the desired email ID. Tick the required access and authentication checkboxes to proceed with the login. Our app requires permission to view, create, edit, and delete Google Drive files so it can sync changes in real time, update files when edits are made, and allow you to securely access and manage your Drive files directly from within Monday.com. Please note that no data is stored on our end. Click Continue to grant the requested permissions and proceed with the integration. Once authenticated, you can access all your Drive files with automatic syncing. The app includes filters like search, type, and name to quickly find any doc, sheet, or file. You can select the file type you want to view and edit, and only those files will be shown. The name filter sorts files alphabetically, while the upload button lets you instantly add files from your device. Next, let's see the two-way sync. We opened a Google Doc from the Docs tab and added a small edit by typing, "Hello team." You'll see the same changes appear in the original Google Doc. Now, let's do the same with Google Sheets. Any edits here will update the original sheet automatically. As you can see, the same changes are visible in the original Google Sheet as well. Similarly, you can access and edit Google Slides and Forms as well, and all your changes will be synced with the actual file. Feel free to contact us at info@securify.com.